Right, let's see if we can replace this old carver. Water connection for this new Truma Ultraflow. Supposedly it is a straightforward swap, so let's find out. I've got everything I need right here, so let's just go ahead and start. I've already disconnected everything inside, so let's just go ahead and start taking it apart. Right, oh, there you go, just come away nice and easy. So that's going to tell me it probably wasn't sealed, especially looking at all that inside of there. Right, let's do a quick test fit, see if it will fit inside the hole. Yeah, it should be fine. Just gonna have to make some new holes on the inside. Alright, let's clean all of this up. Look at that, it's just peeling away, so it's a good job on replacing this. This is on a old ABI brightstar, 2000 to be precise. Lots of searching and there was no 100% answers, so I just thought I'd buy one and see if it works and then do a video for everyone that needs to do it. But being so old, I doubt anyone's got one. Yeah, this is real old and probably not even sealing anymore. Oh. So this solution is just a bit of glue and tar remover, just freeze everything up, and I'm just going to use a wipe and firmly go around scrubbing it all. Just get it nice and clean. There we go. So you can do this a couple of ways. You can use Mastic tape, or you can use some Sikaflex 522, which is designed for caravans and motorhomes. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Mastic tape on the back of here and then just go around the edges with a little bit of sealant just to make sure it doesn't leak. Doesn't matter too much if you overlap, you can always trim it back. It's quite hard to cut this stuff. Make sure you try and cover the screw holes as well, because that'll just provide a little bit of extra sealant around those screw holes as the screw passes through it into the caravan. pretty shapeable, this stuff. Just give it a quick push into all the little creases and gaps, just so it sticks to the back of our housing. There we go. When you're ready, just peel all the tape off the back. And then we can line this up. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Just give it a nice firm push. Obviously our holes don't line up with the old one, so we're just gonna drill some new ones in to put the screws through. So this one's real old, it's already been broken. The clips broke off inside, pump side they broke off as well. These have been bust, and I had to glue the filter last time I used it, and you can't get parts for these anymore. They were discontinued not long after being made, so it's another reason why I'm changing it. So yes, this Truma ultra flow system with the filter housing does fit the old carver system, for anyone that wanted to know. That's all I'm going to do for now. The inside bit's pretty self-explanatory, and loads of videos following how to change the pump handle over onto your pump, so hope that helps.